Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to connect Atomic Wallet to Metamask. First of all, make sure both the Atomic Wallet app and the Metamask application is installed on your mobile device, and also make sure that you are logged into both of your accounts. First of all, open up your Atomic Wallet app once you are done, and then make sure to log in. After you are logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the More button at the bottom right hand corner from your Atomic Wallet's homepage. Now, click on the Security button and click on Private Keys and Backup under Security. You will then need to enter your wallet's password or scan your biometrics. And once you are done, click on this I have read and understood box at the bottom and click on Show Private Keys. Now under the Private Keys option, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to Metamask. I'm just gonna select Ethereum from the list. After tapping on Ethereum, your private key and your recovery phrases will be displayed on the screen. Click on the Show Private Key button to reveal your private key. After you've revealed it, click on the Copy button at the bottom right to copy your private key to your clipboard. Now after copying the private key, go ahead and launch open the Metamask application. You'll also need to be logged into your Metamask wallet as well, and after you are in, from the main homepage of Metamask, click on the Account drop-down at the top of the screen. In the pop-up at the bottom, tap on Add Account or Hardware Wallet. Now click on Import Account option. Now paste in the private key that you copied from Atomic Wallet and click on Import at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to import your selected asset or cryptocurrency to Metamask. Now after importing your account, you will be able to see the balance of the cryptocurrency you had in the Atomic Wallet within Metamask. So that's how you easily connect Atomic Wallet to Metamask. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.